Sagutan natin tong problem. Solve the differential equation ln x dx over dy minus 2 over xy cubed equals 0. So, this type of DE is actually a separable DE. Pwede nating i-separate yung variables. Pero, paghiwalayin muna natin yung dx saka dy, pwede kong i-multiply both sides by dy. So, distributing dy, sa first term, makakancel si dy. Matitira is ln x dx. Then, sa second term, mamumultiply itong negative 2 over xy cubed by dy equals dy times 0 sa right side, 0 pa rin. Okay, ngayon, isa-separate pa natin yung variables. Dapat yung function na nakamultiply kay dx is function of x alone. Tapos yung function na nakamultiply kay dy is function of y alone. So dito sa dx, okay na siya. Wala na tayong aalisin. Dito kay dy, alisin natin yung x term sa kanya, which is itong 1 over x. So para maalis yon, pwede tayong mag-multiply both sides by x. So distributing x. So dito sa first term, x ln x dx. Then minus, so sa second term, makakancel nyo nga si x, matitira is 2 over y cubed dy equals x times 0, sa right side, 0 pa rin. Yan. So separated na yung variables, pwede na nating i-integrate both sides of the equation. So dito sa integral ng x ln x dx, so pwede itong ma-evaluate using integration by parts, right? So paano yung integration by parts? Integral ng u dv is equal to uv minus integral ng v du. So let u natin si ln x. Okay, tapos let dv natin yung natira, yung x dx. Sa u, i-derivative natin yan. So, derivative ng u du, derivative ng ln x, that's 1 over x dx, right? Tapos sa dv naman, i-integrate natin to both sides. Integral ng dv, that's v. Integral ng x dx, so applying power rule, that's x to the second power over 2. Okay? So, therefore, applying the integration by parts formula. So, integral ng u, which is ln x. dv natin is ito, yung x dx equal to uv. U natin is ln x times v, yung nakuhang value is x squared over 2. Then minus integral ng v, x squared over 2 times du, we have 1 over x dx. So, simplify lang natin. So, unahin ko tong x squared over 2 tapos times ln x. Then, dito sa integral, pwede nyo igilid yung 1/2 na constant. So, minus 1/2 integral ng simplify yung x squared times 1 over x. So, x squared divided by x, cancel yung x squared magiging x to the first or x na lang, dx. So, bale we have 1/2 x squared ln x minus 1/2 integral ng x dx, so power rule, x squared over 2. Okay? Or 1/2 x squared ln x minus 1/2 times 1/2 minus 1/4 x squared. So, ito yung integral nung first term natin. Tapos, sa integral naman nung second term, we have negative integral ng 2 over y cube. So, itong 2, pwede nyo igilid, constant. So, negative 2 integral ng yung 1 over y cube para ma-apply yung power rule. Angat natin, applying negative law of exponent, mare-raise siya sa negative 3 dy, and then integrate natin using power rule. So, negative 2 times integral ng y to the negative 3, that's y to the negative 3 plus 1 over negative 3 plus 1, or negative 2y to the negative 2 over negative 2. So, makakancel nyo itong negative 2, magiging y to the negative 2 na lang, or gawin yung positive exponent, that's the same as 1 over y squared. Okay? So, pag sama-samahin natin yung dalawang na-integrate, so yung una, ito, 1 half x squared ln x minus 1/4 x squared. Tapos yung pangalawa, we have positive 1 over y squared. And then equals sa integral nung 0 sa right side. So 0 siya, pero gawin na lang natin constant of integration c. So therefore, this is the general solution of the DE. Okay, kayo naman. Try to solve this differential equation. dy over dx equals 2x plus 2xy squared over y plus 2x squared y, and just comment your answers.